In this extensive tutorial, we delve into the exquisite world of bridal makeup, with a laser focus on the cherished classic and timeless look. As the most significant day of your life draws near, it's imperative to embrace a makeup style that transcends trends and encapsulates the enduring elegance intrinsic to bridal beauty. In this video guide, we're your steadfast companions as we navigate the intricate path to achieving a classic and timeless bridal makeup look that radiates sophistication and preserves your innate allure. Your wedding day signifies a union of love and happiness, and your makeup ought to mirror the profound significance of this chapter. The classic and timeless bridal makeup look draws inspiration from the pages of beauty history, embracing refined aesthetics that hold sway across generations. This aesthetic shirks fleeting fads, ensuring your beauty stands the test of time and reflects luminously in the cherished wedding photographs that commemorate your momentous day. At the heart of this look is the delicate art of enhancement. The intention is to elevate your inherent beauty while honoring a subtle, understated grace. We'll meticulously guide you through the steps to achieve a base that's flawless yet suffused with a radiant glow. The emphasis lies in enhancing your natural skin texture, allowing your innate radiance to emerge and form a canvas that's as pure as it is poised. Eyes, as windows to the soul, demand special attention on your wedding day. We'll meticulously illustrate how to craft a soft, romantic eye makeup that amplifies your gaze without overshadowing your features. Tasteful eyeshadow hues and meticulously applied eyeliner will serve to accentuate the natural curvature of your eyes, resulting in an enchanting allure that's both understated and captivating. A classic and timeless bridal makeup look extends its embrace to contouring and highlighting, techniques that delicately emphasize your facial structure. The aim is to create a subtle dimension that resonates beautifully in photographs, casting a soft, ethereal luminance. Our tutorial walks you through every step, ensuring your features are gracefully defined without veering into over-artificiality. Lips, a focal point of this look, are adorned with a classic hue that complements the overarching aesthetic. Our guidance will aid you in selecting a lip color that elevates your natural lip tone and harmonizes with your bridal ensemble, adding a touch of timeless allure to your overall countenance. Remember, the essence of a classic and timeless bridal makeup look is to magnify a refined and graceful iteration of yourself. The culmination should be a reflection of comfort and unadulterated beauty, echoing your personal style while paying homage to the ageless elegance that weddings symbolize. So, gather your essential bridal makeup tools, embrace the beauty that's inherently yours, and embark on this transformative voyage to create a classic and timeless bridal makeup look, an embodiment of your love story's essence. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have achieved an exquisite makeup look for your monumental day but also an enduring admiration for the timeless beauty encapsulated within the classic and timeless motif. With profound gratitude for joining us on this journey into bridal splendor, let's seamlessly segue into crafting this iconic and age-defying bridal makeup look, wherein grace, allure, and timeless resonance merge to amplify the cherished significance of your wedding day.